Hello and welcome guys. In this session we are going to check how to remove background of images. Most of the time when we are using different images on website or even for thumbnail for making some banners, some infographics, we need to remove the background of products, or even if you are taking your own photos, you need to change the background. Now here I am going to give you a free technique how you can remove background from image and how you can use them at different locations. So let's dive into actual session. Here I am going to show you practically how to remove background of any image. If you are using different themes in WordPress, you need to add different images, and to use those images you need to remove its background. By default, WordPress provides a lot of different themes where you can add your image and you can get your design ready to use. If you are creating a thumbnail for YouTube videos, again you need to remove the background of any image. If you are creating a photo session of your product, then you have to remove the background and use this product, so that you can use different AI backgrounds or other plain backgrounds where the attention of viewer will be on your product or your image. Lot of different tools are available on internet to remove the background. For example, if you're using a Canva, you can directly click on one button to remove a background of particular image. Same thing is also available in Adobe Express, but in Canva you need to take a paid subscription to remove the background of image. If you are using a Photoshop, then by using certain tools you can remove the background. But here I am going to give you a free technique, a website where you can remove the background in a single click without wasting your time. So let's dive into practical session and let's see which are those websites where we can remove the background. If you search on internet, you will get too many different online platforms from where you can do this job. But here I am giving the most simplest and effective website. Okay, now we are on my screen and I'm going to talk about two different websites. In first website, I will upload the photo and remove the background. And in second website, I will make it more impactful and I will improve its resolution so that it will look properly on any other background. So I have created a separate folder. Now you can see these are the images those I have clicked, and I want to remove this background from my images. Now here I'm using a green background, but even if you are having any other background, it will work. You don't need to worry about it. So you can use any image where you want to remove the background. So let's check how it works. Now the first website we are going to use is photoroom.com/tools/background remover. You can directly put background remover photoroom on Google and you will get this link. How to use this website? Just click on start a photo. Now go to the desktop. Now this is the folder where I have stored my images. Now I will select this one with computer. Just select the image and yes, it's done. Okay, now the image is ready for download. The background is removed, you can check here. And now just click on download button. Here also you can go for editing this image if you want to add any other background. Now here you can see ready-made backgrounds, black, if you want white, or if you want to make it yellow, you can select any one or you can select your customized color. But here I am going to keep it blank. So click here, just click on download button. Now here you will get a message that you can download free image with standard resolution, but that is also good one, 1280 by 1280 pixels. And if you want more that high resolution HD image, you need to go for licensed version, you need to pay for it. But here we are using the free one, that is standard resolution. The image is downloaded here. Now just click on this image and now you can see, now this is your image. You can use this image directly anywhere. If you want to create a thumbnail, if you want to add this image on any website, you can use it. But here I am recommending, instead of using this image as it is, because its quality is not up to the mark, so we can enhance the quality of image by using another website. So just close the image, and now here I am using upscaler. Now the website name is Pixelcut.AI. and the tool is upscaler. Now you can directly use Pixelcut.AI slash t slash upscaler, or you can just see scaling the website by using Pixelcut.AI. Now you will get the direct link where you can upload the image. Okay. Now here by default it is selected 2x. That means it will improve the image quality up to double. So here what I will do is I will click on upload. Okay, I will select the latest image which is downloaded, and now it is working on it. And then after some seconds you will get your image ready for it. Now here you can see the before and after effect. Now this is the resolution before changing the screen, and this one is resolution after changing the image. Okay, now you just click on download button where you will get the improved quality image. Let's see. Now here you can see the image. Now even if you are using a zoom button, the quality of image will not hamper. Okay, now this is the way how you can download any image without any background. Now once your image is ready, you can upload these images on Canva or any other tool, and you can use this image without background. Now here I will show my Canva account. So this is free account that I have created. Okay, now this is my account. Now suppose here I want to create a thumbnail for this video. So let's create new. Let's go to the project. Okay, now let's click on create a design, and I'm going to create a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, now suppose I am creating YouTube thumbnail for this video, how to remove background. Now you can choose any other ready-made template which is free of cost available. You can see this account is my free account where I'm using free templates available to me. Okay, let's see. I'm going to use this one. Now the title is something different. I will change it. What I will do, I will upload my image. Okay, now here I'm just changing the title, remove photo background, and here I'm just putting the free tool. Okay. Now I will also put my logo, and that's it. You can make it more attractive or you can keep as it is. Now this is what you can see. The thumbnail is ready where I have added my image without any background. Now if you are doing the same thing by using a Canva, here also you will get the background remover option, but this is not available on free version. So here I have already shown you how you can remove the background from other tools, and then after removing the background, you can upload the image in Canva and use it. So if you want, you can also add something more here, or you can keep it as it is. Okay, now just click on share, click on download button and download it. I hope this video is useful for all of you, and I'm sure now you can use your images without background at any other website, or even you can use them directly in WordPress while designing a website. If you want to join my community, you can click on the link below and you can join, where I am teaching a lot of different tools and techniques to design website, to create infographics, to create images, and I'm also giving training how to get client and how to start your own web development and digital marketing company. So if you are interested, click on the link below and join to my community. If you like this video, please hit on the like button and share with your friends. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and keep visiting my videos. Thank you.